What up guys, this is Nick with No Filter Reviews. Today I'm going to be using my weed whacker as a brush cutter, and the link to the products are down in the description. Basically it's a new head for the weed whacker as well as some new blades, and it turns it into a weed eating machine slash brush eating machine. So stay tuned guys. This is No Filter Reviews. Hit the subscribe button.
As you guys can see, this isn't your standard head for a weed whacker. This is actually what I was referring to earlier as the brush cutter. This is made by Gator, I believe, and the product links are in the description. These are metal blades. The product links are in the description for this as well. I'll make another video on how to actually assemble this and put the blades on. Look down in the description for that link as well. And let's go ahead and I'll show you how this works.
As you can see, it works really well. Obviously with more heavy-duty weed whackers it would even work better. The downside to it is you certainly need to wear eye protection, and I would wear pants, no shorts while you're doing this. It will tear your legs up, but it eats through this stuff very well. So please subscribe. I hope this is helpful. All the product links are going to be down below, and you guys have a great day.